Hello, my name is Dafa Izarul Haki.
Hello, my name is Narita Rewaradito.
Hello, my name is Maulana Rianto.
And hello, my name is Bagas Safrinato.
And I'm Ahmad Fauzan. Now we will make a discussion with our lecturer to discuss about higher education. So let's check this out. Okay, good evening. Miss Uti. We are very happy here because we have a special guest, Miss Uti. She is our beloved lecturer in Unpam. And now but please use the simple or common English because our English is not great. Okay. What's the topic? Will be discussed with us.
Higher education.
Where are we start from? A question from you, or each of you are going to ask me one question? How is the
Bagus.
Vicky from conversation. What does higher education really mean to you?
higher education means? So it's my point of view, yeah, not my theory. And for me, it's important because higher education will help a person to shape their mind and their character and also their readiness, especially when they become or enter their field of working. And they can compare how different between the theory and then what's in the real world. And also if a person want to reach their goals, maybe they want to be succeed in their business, in their work life, in their career. One of them, or my opinion, is can reach by their education, higher education. That's my opinion.
Higher education make me just to also make the degree.
Maybe the education is not just the study but make a character.
Yeah, it helps and actually any people in where she or he who enters or take the higher education, shaping their mind, building their mind, yeah, and then also their character. Jadi kalau mikirnya akan berubah. Nah, you can testify it from a friend. Just ask your friend about one opinion of something and differentiate with your point of view. That's it. Jadi contohnya itu ketika higher education, you have in shaping their character and their mind about how they think or something. Like this, I'm giving my point of view about higher education. I have my experience in different times taking my bachelor degree, my second degree, and my doctoral degree. It shaped me about higher education. What is the complete higher education for me in my year, middle, and long-term life? My goals. So it's my point of view. Okay, jadi harapannya higher education itu bisa membantu helping the students, ya, dan readiness secara mereka. If you are already working, it helps you more to know how to analyze, making a strategy, and then evaluate something from your work life, from your education background. Because I mentioned in the class, theory is not 100% implemented in the real world. You have to enter in the gap between the real world and the theory. So you you make the strategy, this is not good. I have to find a way to make this one is good and something like that. You build the strategy. And then if you evaluate from that, our company will collapse in 1 year. If we do like this in 3 years younger, you evaluate the trends. Yeah, maybe that's what I mean. Important in shaping your mind and build your character. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Sorry, thank you, Ms. Tuti. Maybe Bagasmin with higher education, he's reached job, any job, better job in this time. His answer his answer maybe.
Yeah, it's also the goals of the higher education. Try to make the readiness of the student to reach the goals of the student. If like on my student reaching production management again, office work. Yeah, also there are I asked them, why do you take college student beside the cheap, the price is very cheap. I want to make my life better. Change my mind about higher education that maybe if I can enter higher education, I could get or reach in the next future a better life. In working, my family, my brothers, my sister, or any other goals that you want to achieve. Something like that. Or if you're already working, you can get promoted easily. Yeah, it's a requirement. It's an organization. Yeah, requirement they have bachelor degree, master degree in legal management. Alright.
Yes.
Or your third degree. But plus your experience, yeah, and how you can show your contribution and your, let's say, rewards, yeah, from your working life. Maybe you have appointed as the best employee or 3 times in a row as the best employee, and you have already bachelor degree or master degree. It will be easy for you to promote it in your own life. Trust me, it works. Challenge. Yeah. So, your education, there's no fame in gaining higher education because kalau di sana itu kan kamu selalu terima kasih. That's what one of my principles to be my lecture. Every time I meet with students, I share many, not only my experience, but also in many kind of way. But because some students, if they get what I need, what they need, sometimes not mention because the needs is our students.
You know, we the regular CS class.
Yeah.
I have a question. How can students balance study and work life in your point of view?
In my point of view, I am the same as your position. In my bachelor degree, I already work in as I mentioned, yeah, in the city. 3 years and a half I graduated from Monday to Friday from 7 to 4:30 p.m. I work, and then on full day Saturday I took employee class. And also in my master degree, I do the same way. And also in my doctoral degree, I've already lectured in the park and also try to manage my time, although I loosen my several class in Friday because Friday afternoon I have to forget minggu lepas kelas CS-nya because in Saturday I have the full class in Sahih. So if you what is the question first?
How can student balance study and work life?
Balance. I try to enjoy my activity. That's why I said to my students, enjoy your time while you are studying, because time never goes back. Ya, waktu kan nggak balik. So try to enjoy it. Even you have to balance your life, like I catch up your sleeping in your class. That is one of the students' way. They want to enter the class, but I'm very tired. Yeah, it's okay. But they have to reach their goals. Jadi tetap aja kerja tujuannya. Because know-how is their self dan self. Yang know-how-nya kan you are the student. Because you are the actor, right? You're the one who doing it. I know why am I going to pump on Saturday. What is my achievement for today? For myself, for my wife, my children, my boyfriend, my family is some yours. Maybe that's how you balance, but try to enjoy it. Jadi, work hard, play hard, don't forget to play.
One question, what message would you give to students who study while working? Message what you give to students?
Sama same. Just get along with it, yeah. Get along with it and try to finish it in right time, yeah. I've been there a few times. Jadi jangan aja. You will find your finish.
Yes.
Okay. And then
Sometimes students will feel guilty for not being full time.
Guilty, sorry, what is
Guilty, sorry. And sometimes students who work feel guilty for not being full-time learners. Is that okay?
am I guilty?
Yes.
Guilty. Actually, my answer is from my passion. I want the students in FIU, they need their they are getting the need itself from themselves. Jadi kebutuhannya itu dari mereka. That's why I mentioned the goals is in each student. How they can manage the time between working and studying, and what method that is right to them. It's not on themselves. You can learn from internet. You can learn from the podcast. You can learn from any way. As long as you get the learning, because you can learn from music. You love to learn from books. You love to learn from lecture. The notes is different. But if you find the same frequency, you can make like this, a group of study. It will help the student like me. Maybe that's my opinion. Okay.
Maybe what makes you tough until you finish the third degree?
Because if you can see from my CV, my headline is seeking for knowledge and sharing the knowledge. I like debating with my professor, with my colleague, with my student. I like debating from any perspective because it helps me, what I mentioned, building my mindset and then shaping my character to see many people. Because I've experienced in many meeting many people in many different culture, country, so I can picture that in my mind that when I having actually kalau bisa share karena I'm not the first one, I'm not the saya bukan orang hebat ini masih ada yang bisa diskusi dan sharing like students dan jadi just enjoy ya. It is how we evaluate how good and how especially also how our students learn and know the subject. It's the way how we make sure that we can get the feedback from
So maybe you came from the well-educated family, maybe.
not really. My father, it's only take because but luckily Nepa dulu bagus ya, luckily he already reached position. Also he had one principle that already shared to the family. All of you must reach the goals. One of it is from dedication. Jadi nggak selalu dari kayak profesor atau gitu ya, tapi from my company they have one principle that share from parents and that one of you can reach in the success in life your basic needs is from education. You can take nggak semuanya harus berlalu pelan.
Two question. What is your opinion about AI technology for doing assessment?
Doing assessment.
Yes.
Assessment meaning
Maybe science.
assignment
Tugas.
Yes.
I think AI is one of the product innovation yang from human kind. Kan masih orang pikir manusia. Called artificial intelligence, kecerdasan buatan. Actually, it's pure human creation and innovation. I would love students to use it because it's technology and it helps you too. It helps us in educational institution, like in learning system. I have to help students if they want to find reference. I could help. Alright, yeah, like I mentioned in class, like in Kali dan Learning. If they don't get enough from one book, you can get in many sources. Also from AI, and they can help us to keep search reference. Mass communication. You can search from them. You can find many references, journals, ebook, article, blogs. It can help us. So you might believe AI as a helpful tool as long as we use it in a wise and wise way.
Maybe
Appropriate way.
that's for brainstorming us.
Yeah, that's also that's why I mentioned as a reference and quick reference because when we type one word, not in 5 seconds, we have 2 seconds. But also in the bad side, it will damage the character. About how we learn something, we will only depend on the AI. That's the negative impact. Other questions?
Maybe one question.
Yeah.
Last question.
Okay.
What do you think about students who break the rules while studying?
The student who, sorry, need break.
Break the rules.
Oh, break the langgar. While study. What's this? What's this? Contohnya. I've mentioned from the earlier, yeah, I don't know which question. I try to tolerate with the student as long as it's not annoying the guys. But also one day, I don't want he or she tinggal dengan keluarga. Maybe I will give him like 3 to 5 minutes after that. I will ask a friend that temennya kenapa karena because I don't want he or she get behind ketertinggalan dengan yang lain on the subject in that day. Other example in way chatting or playing with your gadget. And if you can spare like 3 to 5 minutes after that, I will say hi. Ada memory something like that. And you pay attention to me because I don't want he or she behind the subject that I will recognize. Maybe that's one question. Kalau related to university, like smoking and pushing accessories gitu ya, itu nggak ada dari LKA. Jadi kalau di kelas, it's the lecturers obligation. Jadi ada kewajiban responsible from the lecturer. Dan di university ada tanggung jawab di luar ya, kemahasiswaan. Contohnya kalau ada yang sidang kehormatan kelas, itu their responsibility. Tapi balik dengan treatment. Kalau yang masih ngomong-ngomong aja sih nggak apa-apa. Tapi karena kan kewajibannya rules ya. Sometimes I will get notified like your hair is getting long, gitu. Ya. Or why do you use your earring? Because you're a man. Or why do you use your necklace? It's still in English. Do you use that outside? Or can you please smoke outside the house? Do you have to give them
let's make some words so that working student like us will be enthusiastic about studying.
I will remind them about what is your achievement and your goals when you enter one and then fulfill the form. What is your goals? Apa tujuannya itu aja? Jadi
Yes.
I believe any person, any given
Yes. For
Since all questions.
make some work to work student like us will be more enthusiastic about studying.
just remember that I remember that the first time you fulfill the form, what is your goals? That is what you reach until it's semester, and then you say apply after just remember that then you have to fill your timeline. First semester, second semester, what I would like to achieve, what's my goal? That will reflect to your profile, as I mentioned, promoted. When you are administrator, going to officer, analyst, or supervisor, and then manager.
to lead
Vice
us.
President. Yeah, remember your goals.
Okay, maybe that's all.
That's all.
Yes, thank you. Maybe this discussion can inspire me or us, yeah, or other student who watch this video.